In this video, I'm going to show you how to get shift lock on a Roblox mobile, guys. So it's actually really easy and simple, guys. First things first, I want to explain that you can get exactly shift lock on Roblox mobile, but I can show you how to get the closest alternative to shift lock on Roblox mobile, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So let's say you're playing your game, okay? You want to click on this Roblox icon right here on your game. Okay, then I want you to come and click on settings. After this pop-up menu shows up, you want to come and click on settings. And then, for example here, guys, for camera mode, what I want you to set as, okay, instead of something like classic or other options, I want you to set as follow. This is the closest alternative there is for shift mode on a mobile, guys. So just set it on follow, and guys, you are basically done, okay? So this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, if you want, you can subscribe.